Okay folks, the new compressor has been mounted in place and is ready to be welded up. What is used on these compressors in refrigeration is a silver based brazing rod. That's what it looks like. And these compressors are sealed under a vacuum when they come from the manufacturer. Listen, did you hear that? That's because it's sealed. Alright, so let's get to welding. We notice we got our new filter welded in, and let's get busy. Yeehaw! Alrighty then. We'll start with this one down here since it's on the bottom. That keeps you from getting burned after you've done a weld. Put a little flux on it, helps the solder flow a little better. That's not a little flux, actually that's a lot. But it's better to have more than less on it. There it goes, starting to melt for me. Let's get that solder to run down here on the bottom. Make sure we got it all the way around. I think we're good right there. Now, get the top pipe in here. Might have to heat it a little bit to get it to slide in. There it goes, see it? Going in there. Doggone it. There we go. That just about brazed it up right there. Did you see that silver melting on it? We're going to put a little extra on here just to make sure. That's actually the high pressure discharge. A lot of pressure comes on that line, so have to make sure you get it sealed up good or it's going to blow through. That's pretty much the process of getting a compressor welded into place. The next process is going to be pulling a vacuum on this thing. In other words, getting all the anything that may be left inside these lines has to come out of there before you put refrigerant in it. So we're going to do that process now, and while we're getting a vacuum pulled on it, this machine actually has to have a couple of other things on it that I'm going to show y'all here in just a minute.